Hey everyone, I'm Bryce and I just landed my first job as a data analyst with the London Stock Exchange Group. I've always enjoyed Excel. It was one of the first skills that I learned in my first job. I knew some of it, but I wasn't very good, and I wanted to know more. So I went ahead and took a course with Maven Analytics. A month or two later, I noticed on their website they were advertising a boot camp. During the boot camp at Maven Analytics, we learned about Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and MySQL. And these skills came in very critical in landing my job, and I'm so thankful for the great instructors that I had that were there to guide me along the whole way. A second soft skill that we learned was the importance of building our profiles up on LinkedIn and just being able to market ourselves saying, hey, I am a data analyst. A recruiter saw my profile on LinkedIn and he reached out to me, which then got me into an interview, and that is how I landed my job at the London Stock Exchange Group. I'm beyond ecstatic that I ended up joining the Maven Analytics Bootcamp. It's provided me with a new career path, and I can't wait to just see where this journey takes me in life.